Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into a powerful Excel feature called Flash Fill. If you're looking for a quick way to separate first names and salaries or any other data, this method is a game changer. Let's get started. Here we have a column of names and salaries combined, and we want to split them into separate columns, one for names and another for salaries. Normally, this would take a lot of time, but with Flash Fill, it's incredibly easy. First, let's copy the first name from this data. We'll paste it in a new column. Next, let's do the same for the salary. We'll copy the first salary from here and paste it in another new column. Now, we've got the first name and salary copied into separate columns. Here's where Flash Fill comes into play. In column B, press Ctrl+E. This is the shortcut for Flash Fill. Excel will automatically fill in the rest of the first names for us, following the pattern we've started. Just like that, Flash Fill has filled in the first names for the entire column. Next, we'll do the same for the salaries. Let's type the first salary in column C. As you can see, Flash Fill makes separating data fast and simple. It detects the pattern and completes the task in seconds. This method can be used for many other types of data separation, like extracting first names, last names, or even dates. It's a huge time saver when working with large datasets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Excel tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more Excel tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.